Today we are going to be kitbashing the one and only Space Marine chaplain. And to create one of my best Space Marines ever, we are going to start with the Black Templars execrator as we slowly convert him into the one and only Space Marine chapter, or rather Legion, the Dark Angels. So let's start putting together the main body of this chaplain, starting with clipping off his legs, before finally getting to that amazing chest piece. I mean look, they've already sculpted all the robes for us, so let's put all of his shin armor on, before it's time to add our first Dark Angels pieces, and for this, the Raven Wing Command Squad. And the thing we're looking for the most are these amazing backpacks. And this one even has its own hooded figure. And thankfully these firstborn backpacks fit perfectly on our Primaris body. But there's still one thing we need from this sprue, and that is the Wrath of Caliban, the sword itself, as we're making a dual-wielding chaplain. So grabbing our sharpest clippers, we're going to have to chop off his hand and start removing all of those chains from his arms. Then, because this is a right-handed sword, we're going to have to cut this hand off, grab another hand and add that to a right hand. I know it's kind of confusing, but 3 hands later, we're there. And so far, he's looking pretty awesome. Now, to make sure people know this is truly Dark Angels, we're going to have to venture into the upgrade screw and grab ourselves some Dark Angel shoulder pads. Now, interestingly enough, this Black Templar has double insignias on his shoulder pads, so we're going to do the same here. So after finishing his Crozius and adding his chest shield, it's time to dry fit his head and see how he's looking. And he's missing one major thing, and that's a hood. So it's time to grab some green stuff and start rolling it together, but first I dipped it into some warm water so it makes it nice and soft. Then it's time to grab all of that green stuff and start rolling it together until it's just purely green. Now, one of the hacks to using green stuff is using some Vaseline, but make sure you're wearing gloves because we don't want any of our fingerprints on this green stuff, otherwise it makes it look a bit gross. And after putting some on my desk, it's time to start rolling this bad boy to make it nice and flat. Then it's time to start slowly cutting in a nice even square into our green stuff. Then it's time to grab our gloves again and slowly take this off of the table. And this is where the fun begins, as it's time to just plop it on his head. And then using something small, we can start to mold it into a hood-like shape, stretching it if we need to, as we have plenty of time to work with this and we can always remold it later. Then it's time to cut off any excess green stuff and start finally molding the rest of his hood, just to give it some creases and folds to look a tiny bit more natural. But there's one more thing we really need to do, and that is to cut off the rest of his chains on his right arm. And because this runs over his fist, we're going to come back and slowly draw in those lines again with our scalpel. Then using some glue to meld everything together. So let's head outside quickly and prime him, starting with a black spray, then with a zenithal highlight of a white spray from above. And finally, there he is, our wonderful Interigator chaplain. Let me know what you think in the comments and what models you would like me to kitbash in the future, and I'll catch you in the next one.